Have you ever wanted to make a cool Discord avatar that you can use on your user profile for your bots or for your servers? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a really cool technique that allows you to do exactly that. Now, before I move on with the rest of the video, I wanted to ask a quick question. Do you have Discord Nitro? If so, leave a yes down in the comments section below. Alright, without further ado, let's get on with the video. This here is the Discord Avatar Maker by Christian Reichart. As you can see on the left pane, you can select a background as well as a body color and even an eye color. I found this really cool as there's so many combinations that you can choose. Further, what I really appreciate is the ability to choose a random combination, making use of this random icon right here. My favorite combination would have to be the Discord logo having the little top hat and the mustache, as well as these cool sunglasses over here. Once you're done making your Discord avatar, you can either share it with some friends using a link, or you can download it in various different types of formats with sizes and backgrounds. Further, I had a quick discussion with the developer and I learned that the Discord Avatar Maker is fully compatible with mobile devices, whether you have an Android phone or an iPhone. It can even be downloaded as what's known as a PWA, which means that you can put it on your home screen and it would act as if it was just a normal app. Once you're done customizing your avatar, now's the time to animate it. If you have Discord Nitro, or if your server is boosted, you can add some really cool server animations. Like right here, you have some bouncing effects, some flipping and rotating effects, and there's just so much cool things to see over here. Further, you can even add effects. If you have a server that has some sort of theme, you can even add some of these. For a lot of fun entertainment event servers, something like this pinwheel design could work good, or for servers connecting people around the globe. The developer notes that people have been using this service not only for user profiles and for avatars, but even for servers and bots. So if you own a Discord bot or own a boosted server, this avatar maker is really perfect for a wide variety of servers. Just make sure you credit the developer of this website by including the site's URL in your description. Also, one thing I really appreciate about this website is the design. The developer decided not to put any ads to keep it so clean and perfect for all users. But at the same time, this also means that the developer needs your support. If you think this is really cool, you can even consider donating to help out the developer or joining the community server on Discord to share your experiences with others of the Discord Avatar Maker community. Anyways, I found this really cool and I just wanted to share it. If you find this Discord Avatar Maker useful, make sure to leave a like on this video so I know that I can make more tips and tricks just like this. Further, I just want to thank the developer again for giving me permission to showcase this website and discuss some of the various features. I really enjoy using this and I think it's really cool. Anyways, with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.